What a fantastic air museum. I'm at Wollongong at Albion Park at the airfield. Look what's in the background here. See there? Yes, 747-400. And the wing is actually over the road, as you can see, where all the cars are parked under it. This is like a guided tour museum, so you can't actually just wander around. Seniors, it's 20 bucks, and you get guided around and you get all this fantastic information of the volunteers that work here. Great coffee, by the way, and cakes. And I had to buy a hat, didn't I? Here we go. It's the Hars Air Museum, and it is fantastic. A jumbo, you can actually go up in the jumbo and have a look inside. There's so many different airplanes here. I've just had the last 2 hours of just bliss. It's beautiful, great museum, and all different types of aircraft, jets, props, seaplanes. There's even a Mackie up there on the wall there, and this dirty great big jumbo parked up over here that you can just walk around with the guided tour. Gordon was the guy that saw me around. Information just brilliant, loved it. I mean, I love aeroplanes anyway, but what a great tour. I thoroughly enjoyed that. So if you're up in the Wollongong area, Albion Park, come and have a look at the Air Museum. It is worth every cent. So, yeah, not the best of weather today, but who cares? Most of it's inside, or you're inside the airplane, so, yeah. Me and Archie. Oh, and it's pet friendly. Your pets aren't allowed in the airplanes, but you can walk around and go through the museum, go into the cafeteria and have a coffee. Pet friendly. How many places around nowadays that are actually pet friendly? Beautiful, loved it. Hars Air Museum. Fantastic. Oh, and by the way, they've got the only one in the world flying constellation, conning as it's called. I'll put some photos up. Yeah, the Hars Museum has got the only flying constellation in the world, which they got from Arizona, I believe, and it's parked inside. You can go inside it and have a look around, and it still flies. It's a ripper. Wow. You might notice that there was actually, there's still that panel there, and some of the panels over there are the painted panels because they were still sitting. Oh, okay. Geez, there'd be a lot to take in. Thank you.
pop up here. There's a rest area for a pilot. One of the things that's new about the 400 was they were the first one to get, it takes 2 people to fly the plane. 400 was also the first one that did not have a flight engineer. You can go right up and have a look inside.
So there's 4 seats up here, though.
Yeah. But that's when they always carry 2 crew.
There's not much room in there, is there?
They're very comfortable, though.